Don't scroll down. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's talk about your credit. So first of all, the purpose of this channel is to educate you on your home buying journey or in your home financing journey, whether you're refinancing or purchasing a home. There's a lot of knowledge out that we as a loan officer, we deal with it every day. I would always ask the expert, whoever you know in the business, local loan officer, to answer your question, since we deal with this type of stuff every day. So there's a lot of little things in mortgage industry and the process that is great for a consumer to know. So that gives them a much better option to choose what direction they take their journey. So let's talk about how you can improve your credit, right? So the credit, how to improve your credit, there are a few things you have to know. Number one, most people know, just a reminder, utilize 30% of your credit. So what that means, if you have a $10,000 line, just use $3,000. If you use higher, just pay it down to $3,000, because that's going to affect your credit score. The other item that it can help you, if you have an old credit card that you're not utilizing, and some people say, oh, I cancel on my credit card. No, don't cancel. Keep them open. What we like to see, or what credit bureau like to see, is that the more credit you have and the less utilization you have on your credit. So that 30% option applies here. The other thing is, do not have too many accounts. I know I'm saying don't cancel your old account, then I'm saying don't have too many accounts. So don't have too many inquiries, don't have too many accounts. Have limited account. So personally, I think 5 or 6 accounts would be sufficient. The other thing is, make sure if you have a collection, anything that is unresolved, make sure resolve it with the credit collection company. Ask them to remove the negative credit from your report. If they don't, you have to make sure pay that collection when you're not in the middle of transaction. So the perfect example would be, we're doing a transaction for a client, they pay a collection, we run a backup credit, and the credit, since it's been updated, it shows a recent collection date, and that brings the FICO score or credit score down, which we use. It helps for your amount of down payment most of the time, and the type of rate you get from your bank or from your mortgage company. And the last thing would be, make sure monitor your credit. Use the credit companies such as Experian, myFICO.com. There are a few companies out there. I personally use myFICO.com, and for the last 15 years. Make sure you utilize the companies that they can monitor your credit, give you a notification if anything changed on your credit, balance increase, balance decrease, as well as any negative items reported on your credit, any credit inquiry that you didn't authorize. They're all in there. Also, they have a credit simulator that you can utilize, see how you can improve your credit. So there's a lot of information, as I mentioned, on the credit area that you need to educate yourself. Hope these videos help. Just utilize the expert you have around you, local loan officer, local expert you're talking to, you're trusting, to be able to help you with your home buying or home financing journey. Hope that helps.